Hey, what's up?
Hey, what's going on, man?
Hey, what's going on, man?
Yeah, I got a little gift for you. I know you can't do belting it out too much, so I picked up a little project belt for you.
Really? Where'd you get it from?
I actually picked it up from your boy Dutch.
And what belt did Dutch give you?
1 second, I'm about to send it to you, and I left it downstairs. You got it?
Jimmy. What the hell is this, man? What am I supposed to do with that? That's spray paint on the belt and the leather. What am I supposed to do with that?
I mean, it's a project belt. You expect it to look better than that?
Okay, look, man. Spray paint aside, the artwork on that belt is trash. The eagle ain't even supposed to have feet like that. This is not a good one, bruh.
Look, you got people making belts out of cardboard and random stuff, making it look immaculate. I trust what you can do with this is going to be wonderful, and you're welcome. I look forward to this segment.
So you're really gonna leave that with me?
Look, I look forward to a restoration segment. I enjoyed the last one. You have a good day.
You know what? I need another segment anyway. Ain't no need in even fighting it. We got it. We're gonna make the best of it. So with that being said, let's join the fray.
Time to take a chance to fly, feeling like I'm 10 feet high. Nightmares call, you can't deny. Better find a place to hide.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wrestling Fray, and welcome to another edition of Belting It Out. And this is, well, I guess you can call it a new belt day, but it's actually another belt restoration video. I haven't done one in, I want to say that was 2 years ago since we did the last one. Yeah, it's been a minute. Alright, so you saw in the prologue how bad this belt is. Now here's the thing, even before the spray paint and all that stuff, this is what it all looked like. So it was never a good belt. But I hate to say it, Jimmy's right. People making masterpieces out of cardboard. So I guess if I can at least refurbish this to what it looked like formerly, that will be a good challenge to complete. So, you know what? Let's go ahead downstairs and let's take a shot at it.
pretty difficult to tell what this belt is in its raw state, because both brass and zinc are shiny at this point. So some people can tell it right away. I can't on this one, but anyway, still gotta get some of this gold off. You see there's some stubborn spots right here and there and all that, so I'm gonna keep working at it. You paint the entire banner and then you take the paint off the letters. I actually learned that trick from a few belt makers, including Masad Ali. Alright, the painting is done. This is not the most perfect paint job, but I am not a belt maker's great. This is much better than it looked. Alright, real quick. This is a special gold spray. It's not your average gold spray. This is used to make chrome wheels, rims on cars, gold, shimmering gold. So like if you can do it on rims, I wonder if it can do it on a belt. And from what they told me, I can paint over the spray paint over the paint and it won't really change anything, but we're gonna see how this goes, because if this messes it up, we gotta start all over again. But if this works out, big shout out to All Real Gold, only on Instagram. I'm gonna leave their link in the description. Yeah, it's windy out here, but we about to see what these bad boys can do. So far so good. I'm gonna do a second coat, but it looks like I'm gonna have to retouch up the white, because he said I didn't have to remove any of the paint, but I never said that I had white paint. So that I can live with. This is actually very, very interesting. Touch up that white. Oh, I put too much inside. Yeah, strap is dirty, excuse the mess, but I touched up the white. Now my wife said she liked the old age look that the flags had after I sprayed the gold on it, but honestly, I liked it too. But since I didn't touch up the white, I will touch it up now. I do have to get some leather paint, as you see, and I done put the holes in there, and you will see why in a minute. Bam! Now, a lot of collectors don't like this space on their straps. They usually call it the box of death. But now I refurbish a belt, I love it because I could put my personal channel stamp on there for every belt that I refurbish. I put on the last one I refurbished, and this one is no different. Now, as you see, a couple things we have to do now. We'll take care of that tip later. We gotta get this leather clean, man. The leather is just in bad shape. All right, let's check it out. All right, now we're using leather paint to cover up the dark spots from, I guess, when it was spray painted. So when you do this, get as close to the color as you possibly can. It appears that chili red was the closest to the strap color because it was a little bright, but not too bright. And you might not get exactly close to the color, but just getting it close enough, and it can all blend in. Just trying to get rid of these dark spots here. Alright, so we covered up all the dark spots, but now the issue is leather paint is not glossy, so you can tell where I painted and where I didn't, because you know the original leather was kind of glossy, but that is where this comes into play. Alright, we all glossed up, unfortunately. I mean, I did it by paintbrush because I accidentally sprayed a part of the side plate. I'm going to see if I can get that. I don't know if I can. If anything, I'll probably get it after this video's done, but we'll see. Alright, aside from drying, there's only one thing left to do. We got to do something about this belt tip. I'm not a fan of the half tips. So what do we have? We have a full Luger tip, compliments of Wrestling Superstore. Cleaned up a little bit, and we about to put this baby on. Not too bad, all things considered. Gold spray still got the gold shine to it. Of course, with that gold spray, all gold. They have gold, copper, rose gold, and pink rose gold. This hue is darker than I would have liked, even though it looks good in the lighting now, and I guess because of the red strap, but it's because I put 2 coats on it, but it actually wasn't too bad, excuse me. So yeah, I'm proud of what we did here, and got the channel stamp on it because I'm gonna take advantage of the box of death every time, and I love this Luger tip. And you know what, one thing that I did not say, even though this belt was not the best, this leather is actually pretty good. I don't know who the maker is, but this is some pretty good leather.
Like it's soft and not overly flat. It's actually good quality leather. I'm actually surprised that for this belt to be so thin and have great leather on it. So with that being said, thank you guys for sitting through another restoration video. I guess I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this. I have no cubbies left, that's why I stopped collecting. I don't know, I might just hang it in my son's room or something. But thank you for joining the fray. You guys have a wonderful night.
WYS Nicky Mons.